Tyler Doms has been a quality performer for Northern Manitoba. So is Edwards to Hurst. Looks for the give and go. Vincent Hurst off the outside of the goal post. Alexander Andre, just 16. He's been as good as anyone in the black jerseys, and he just rang one off the goal post. Alexander Andre, that's 2 doinks in the. He has 4 helpers in the event. Penny returns it for Poor, who couldn't direct it on target. Then the wraparound, they score! Bows on the rebound, and Rockland strikes first.
Lou, I was just thinking before that series how Northern Manitoba has done a great job not allowing Rockland to get zone time, cycling, working the puck below the goal line. Well, that's what led to this goal.
Fires it off Kristanowicz. Barrie gets underneath him and then almost sends it off a skate of Hurst into the net. Marshall had a great chance. Rebound, Sharon. They say no.
Because?
The net is off.
I believe that's the 5th time that's happened in this tournament. One of them against the overtime in between Valleyfield and Melford the other night. No, wait, that was the overtime goal that counted, right? Excuse me. So
rolls off his stick and maybe a shorthanded chance emerging. Anthony Hall, they score! Great look from Hall to Kellaway, and shorthanded, the Nationals add to their advantage.
This is absolute mastery. This is what Anthony Hall does so well. 10 assists through preliminary play.
Better pressure on this Blizzard power play. Laughlin, wrist shot with traffic, backhander, and Forget with a fabulous stop on Linton. Edwards, Bouvier had Forget leaning but shot it wide. Great sequence, finds Tellier. Swings it right back to Laurent. He's got some room to walk in. It's tipped, rebound, and another brilliant stop. Scores! Guillaume Labra. And nothing Timmerman could do about that.
All you really ask your goaltender to do is make the first save, and then a rebound. Rockland Nationals hockey. I was trying to get to that point, but the play wouldn't allow me to. That goal, that thought.
Laouillet with room. Laouillet robbed again by Timmerman. Can't ask for much more than what he has put forward tonight. Point leader. Nice redirect by Bernier, went wide. Moving up is Ward, and Forget read it and stopped it. Jacob Sharon with an empty net. Labra blocked by Hurst. Sharon! That's gonna do it for absolute sure. Jacob Sharon, almost perfect. The Rockland Nationals, in convincing fashion, behind the shutout goaltending of Benoit Forget, who stopped all 33, are on their way to the Centennial Cup semifinals.